Guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Cancer. Let's see what's happening for Cancer in their love life in the month of September. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. If I post monthly readings over here and also bonus readings for all the signs, and it is a general love reading, so it will not resonate with everyone out there, so just keep that in mind. Let's see how is the month of September going to be for Cancer in regards to their love life. Let's see what's happening. How is the month of September going to be for Cancer? How is the month of September? Okay, the first one is Six of Swords. Okay, you might be dealing with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. The next card is Strength. You might be dealing with a Leo specifically. Four of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. The next is Ace of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag, fire energy. So, as far as I'm seeing this, Eight of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I'm seeing your person is quite hurt. Like, they feel sad, they feel lost, they feel incomplete, they might be dealing with depression, anxiety, sleepless nights. Yeah. See, Ten of Swords. Oh my God, what's going on with your person? The bottom of the deck is Princess of Coins, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Okay. Oh my God, what's happening with your person? Like, they are out of balance. They don't know what they want to do. I'm seeing your person will be quite like super stressed in the month of September. They have done something quite hurtful to you, and they will be regretting it in the month of September. The person you're dealing with, they might be even not feeling quite well, unwell physically, like they don't know how to face you. They might have done something really bad to you. I think they won't be able to face you in the month of September. This person is heavy on their emotions in the month of September, having anxiety, having panic attacks, having to deal with depression, sadness. Maybe quite possible this person have sleepless nights. This person is just being so, like, they are quite heavy on their emotions. I'm seeing this person crying, sobbing. Maybe they will ask for forgiveness from you. This person has definitely done something to you which was not acceptable, which was quite rude, quite you were not expecting this person to behave in such a way, and that is going to be the karma is really hitting them hard in the month of September. Maybe they will come across people that will hurt them like they did to you. Wow, I mean, they will realize how bad they were, how mean they were, how self-centered they were when they were dealing with you. They cannot behave in such a way with anyone, because karma gets back really hard, and that is what I'm seeing here for your person. Definitely dealing with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Many of you, heavy energy, heavy air energy. I'm also seeing this person will be gathering all of their remaining strength and possibly trying to connect with you. They will express how bad they were behaving with you, how bad they were while handling your feelings, your emotions. Now their eyes will be opening. They will be quite passionate for you. Okay, in the month of September, you will see this person opening up, showing their passion, showing exactly how they feel. Or it might be you too. Like, the roles can be switched always. With this Princess of Coins, this person doesn't want to lose you now. They want to have a second chance with you, and they don't want to ruin their chance. They want to give it their best shot this time. I'm seeing this person has realized, like maybe they have come up across a lot of people that were not, their intentions were not quite good. See, King of Wands, taking action. This person will take the initiative now. In the past, if it was you who were always taking the initiative, now this person is taking the initiative. They will come forward and express how they feel. Okay, they are planning. With this Six of Wands, they are determined. No matter how hard the emotions are on them, they are quite determined to get to you, to meet you, to get back to you, to have their life shared with you. This person has had their lessons like really hard. Let's clarify some cards over here. What is the Six of Swords about, please? I think they have been cheated, they have been used, they have been dumped by someone, and that is when they realize what they have done to you. This is karma. Okay, what is Six of Swords, please? What is Six of Swords? Yeah, I told you, this person, like Ten of Swords energy is heavy on them. They have been backstabbed by someone very close to them, someone they were relying on to, someone. See, Ten of Swords energy is twice in their energy. Definitely this person is burdened with emotions. Star card, they have faith that you will take them back with the strength, with the Star card clarifying the Strength card. They have this faith that you are going to take them back. You're going to forgive them. You're going to forgive what they did to you, how harsh they were, how mean they were, how selfish they were when you were wanting them in their life. What is this Four of Swords about? See, they want reconciliation, thinking heavily about you, wanting to reconnect to you, wanting to take this relationship to a next level. They are in this transformative phase. Their eyes are opening. They are opening. Their minds were enclosed, and that is opening. Okay, they are coming to a realization. What is Ten of Swords about? Okay, see, Four of Swords. I mean, look at what this person is going through. They are going through a lot. Four of Swords also coming twice in this reading from another deck. I mean, this person will be going through hell. September is going to be very hard for the person you're dealing with. See, the next card is Hierophant. They really need to have a look at what they are doing. They really need to stop and start looking closely. Start analyzing of what actions they took in the past to hurt you. What is this Eight of Swords about? I really think this person will be maturing in many ways. They will be a grown-up person emotionally. They will know. They will have that wisdom. They will have that emotional uphill where they will know how to deal with such emotions. They will go through a lot in the month of September. See, they want happiness with you. They know you are their happiness, you are their strength, you are their shining star, you are their shining sun. With this Ace of Sun clarifying the Ace of Wands, they are quite passionate with you, okay, for you. What is the Six? King of, yeah, I think they will be coming up with an offer. They will be themselves coming up with an offer. Ace of Cups clarifying King of Wands. This person is quite passionate about you. What is the Six of Wands about? What is this determination about? Yeah, they want stability with you. They are determined to marry you, to get a stable life with you, to come back together with you. What is this Princess of Coins about, please? See, Lovers, Gemini energy. They want to be with you. Okay, and this is what they will be offering. They will be very clear and genuine and very straightforward with what they want. Let's see what your energy is like in the month of September. Let's pick up your energies. What are your energies? What will be Scorpios feeling like? What will be Scorpion feeling like? What will be Scorpions feeling like? Yeah, I think you're manifesting the right person in your life now. Maybe you're manifesting this person. Maybe you're manifesting this person in your life. You are manifesting. Whatever you are manifesting is going to come to reality. Okay, so wish wisely and be very clear of what you want from anyone that are in your life. Sorry for the noise. I'm just connecting my phone to the charger. Please wait. Battery is down. Yeah. So manifest the right person. Okay, you don't have to be harsh to yourself. What more do we have in the Scorpion's energy? Okay, we have 2 cards and that are enough. Knight of Wands. I think now you will be playing with this person's heart. You are in this player energy. You will not be expressing much. You will not be bringing much to the table. See, you want a new start with this person, or maybe you want a new person in your life now. You're done with this person. Many of you. Okay. And the bottom of the deck is Lovers, Gemini energy. Maybe you want true love in your life now. You are not open for any bullshit now. You want real love. You want a committed person. You don't want someone who is a player. Okay. Now we will see what messages do we have from Fairy Oracle. Magical gateway. It takes courage and trust to venture into unknown. Yet this is where the greatest rewards are. It's time to sleep boldly forward without looking back. I think now the main magical gateways are open for you. Now you will think about yourself and you will take big and better steps for yourself. Okay, gateways are being opened for you. You just need to be very cautious of whom you are letting in and whom you are connecting to, okay, or whom you are manifesting, basically. Temptation. So are you in denial about an unhealthy habit, perhaps once that makes you feel guilty? The fairy, this fairy says you have the power to overcome. I think you are tempted about some person or some habit. You just need to get rid of that temptation. Some things are not quite healthy for your mind, body, okay, and soul. So you just need to intake things that are good for your mind and body, and you just need to be with people around you who are good for your soul. Okay, so yeah, and your whole life. What messages do we have for Cancer? What messages do we have for Cancer? Oh my God, many of them. Let's take them. See, blindfold are going to be, put down, and you're going to face the reality, the true colors of some people in your life. Just unfold your the blinds you are having on your eyes. Okay, see the reality of certain people in your life. Sometimes friendships are good for you. Sometimes you just need to be friends with some people and not take it any further. Voice, maybe you are missing someone's voice, or maybe someone is missing your voice. Surprises are coming for you, gifts, surprises. Maybe a new person in your life is coming. Okay, this is the surprise for you. What more do we have for Cancer? New cycle. I told you, many of you are expecting a new person in your life, or this person is coming back with a fresh energy, a new beginning. Okay, so this was it for Cancer. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel.